The Spanish conquerors of Central America called it La Boca del Infierno, the gates of hell, and after standing briefly above its gaseous portal, I can see why. There are 7 places in the world that have acquired the name the gates of hell. These places are considered portals to the underworld. In the 1520s, Spanish conquistador encountered this volcanic crater in Nicaragua, which still spews smoke from time to time and believed to be the mouth of hell. According to the local lore, the volcano was a deity unto itself, and it is believed that human sacrifices were offered here. The Masaya Volcano is shrouded in mysteries and legends of the devils, tales of sacrifices and wicked witch. Today we are going to travel towards the volcano and discover the secret.
Yo, what's up guys? This is your man John Marcus and you're watching Adventures in the Land of Lakes and Volcanoes. Today we are going to take you to the gates of hell. You heard it, the gates of hell. It is said that there are 7 gates that leads to hell. One of them is in Nicaragua. Let's find out.
The Masaya Volcano National Park is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the Pacific region of Nicaragua. Located 20 kilometers south of the capital of Managua, it is one of the most unusual and active volcanoes in Nicaragua. It lies within a huge Pleistocene La Sierra's caldera and itself a 6 by 11 kilometer with basalt caldera with steep wall up to 300 meter high. It is one of the 7 active volcanoes in Nicaragua. Its crater Santiago has an altitude of 635 meters above the sea and continually emits large amounts of sulfur dioxide gas. It also maintains an incandescent inside due to the persistent lava lake that the Spanish conquistador mistakenly took for gold.
This is basically the national park of the Volcan Masaya. And the breeze, the oxygen here is so sweet, so nice. It's relaxing. I mean, just being here on top, it's like you're flying. It is so relaxing. This crater has a very interesting story. Legend has it that inside the volcano lies a witch. And the Spanish conquistador claimed that this witch was a devil. The indigenous people of this place, of this land, consulted the witch. They looked for advice from the witch. And that's one of the reasons why the cross was established. The cross of Bobadilla was established. And it was established to basically exorcise the demons and to keep the demons from coming out. And that is why this place is known as the gates of hell, or the mouth of hell. Guys, so Sarah claimed that she is loving this view. And indeed, it's a very beautiful view. I mean, if you have not been here, if you live in Nicaragua, or you're not from Nicaragua, you come to Nicaragua, you should definitely check out this one. The last time we were at Volcan Mombacho, and it was pleasant as well. This one is good too. So right now what we're doing is we're walking. This is the trail. I'm not sure if this trail has a name, but this is like a self-guided trail. and we are going to show you the beauty and show you around from the highest point of the volcano. So it is believed, or it is said, that this volcano erupted at least 19 different times. So this is an active volcano. How do you feel walking on an active volcano, Sarah? The breeze is very nice, it's very cool, it's pure. Now just look at this view. Look at this view. Man, it's not even look like Nicaragua. For a moment I thought I was in some other country. But Nicaragua is beautiful, man. It's a land of lakes and volcanoes. This viewpoint is called Square, and it's called Square in honor to Ephraim Square. This guy is an American guy, and he's an American diplomat, a traveler, and journalist, archaeologist. And he basically, when he saw the lava, he said, "A sea of petrified ink." Those were the words of astonishment that he used when he saw the lava. So this, from this viewpoint or vantage point, you see many places, these tiny little houses, and the trees, they look very tiny. Right now we're going to take you to the cross of Bobadilla. That's the cross that was established to exorcise the demons and to stop them from coming to the surface. There's the welcome sign, and then you have to climb this step. It's not bad though. The other one was more risky. And Sarah is already tired. Just look at the view while rising up. The view is on point. I'm out of word to express this view. It's just awesome and spectacular. It's a little tiresome to climb it up. La Cruz is a tangible history of the Masaya Volcano. Since during the colonial period, it was a center of attraction for the conquistadors, who, upon seeing the magnitude of the active crater and witnessing the sacrifices made here by the Chorotegas Aboriginal tribes, thought it was an entrance to hell. That's why in 1529, Friar Francisco de Bobadilla planted a cross to baptize and exorcise the volcano. So guys, we finally arrive at the museum and we are going to give you like a tour. We are gonna showcase. Hola. She will basically teach us about the history of the volcano.
Todas son autoguiadas y cada una de ellas van a encontrar información. Empezamos desde la sala de la historia del volcán, que es esta que pueden observar de este lado. Posterior se dirigen del lado derecho, empezando con la otra sala que es la de geología. Al finalizar van a salir por el lado izquierdo, van a encontrar un pasillo a mano derecha, el cual lo van a poder tomar para ver la panorámica de la parte de la laguna de Masaya. Igual pueden observar Mumbai. Okay. Cada una de las salas van a encontrar información, al igual que ilustraciones de relevancia de acuerdo al tema de cada sala. Si al terminar su recorrido necesitan alguna duda, pues...
Muchas gracias, muy amable. Gracias. Okay guys, so this is the first time I'm entering this museum and I find this drawing, this painting to be very interesting, and it is related to the legend that I told you about, you know, the devil, the witch, and human sacrifices by the indigenous people. There is a whole lot of history that you can learn here. In this area, you will find different images and also different stories regarding the volcano. This is the evolution of the Earth from evolutionary perspective, not a creationist perspective. And this is how the Earth began. Guys, this museum is really impressive. It's really impressive. If you're a lover of plants, you will learn a lot about plants here. These are different type of species of plants that you can find here. And if you want to know more about the geology and the formation of the volcano, over here you will find what we call maquetas. Don't remember the name in English, by the way, but there are several maquetas here. Very beautiful. The explanation is very clear. And you have this beautiful painting on the wall. Man, I'm so pleased by this trip. I'm so pleased. And I'm enjoying it. This is so good. Look at these paintings. Really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see well because it's dark. It's a little dark. But this is really awesome experience. Guys, we have come to the end of the tour, and I must say that this tour was amazing. Words cannot express how I feel right now. They received us, and it was so good. It was a private transportation that took us to the crater, and there was a private transportation to bring us back. It was amazing. The museum was amazing. Everything was amazing. Make sure you don't miss out. Come and enjoy yourself with your family.